Let's talk to Ryan Littlestone. He is a trader and analyst at ForexFlow.live. Very good morning to you, young Ryan.
Good morning, Nick.
Right, so let's pull up your thought-provoking slide of the day. The dollar against Mexico, daily chart. Obviously, what on earth is going on here? That's obviously, I understand the fundamentals and the political, but in terms of the currency, is this as clear?
Yeah, it's a pretty wild card at the moment, or a wild horse. This pair, up and down. What we saw in the latter part of last year and early part of this year is obviously the trade talk and the NAFTA talks between Mexico, Canada, and the US. That sort of price rise, well up through the 20s, even touching near enough 21. And the guys in the room, I've got to give credit to the other guys in our trading room for this one, because they did a lot of analysis on this pair. And, they came around to the fact that if the election is okay and if NAFTA deal gets done, then this is a great short trade. So what they've been doing and what I've been doing as well, because I pretty much piggybacked on the back of their analysis, is we shorted it well above, sort of up at the 2070 into the 21 handle. And we've had a great run. It's falling below 20 and on the way down. And now we've just had this weekend the election, which the favourite Obrador has won it. He was seen as a way out on the left, and possible problems and more arguments as far as NAFTA goes and the wall and all that sort of palaver. But he softened his tone as the election campaign wore on, and that became a bit more market friendly. So we saw it drop down. As much as last week, down to sort of 1960 area. So what we've got now, we've had the sort of buy the rumour for the MEX, and now we saw a bit of selling the fact first thing this morning, but there's still a long way to go. A few of the guys here are still holding shorts in dollar MEX, and we're happy to hold them reload higher. What we're really looking for now is what comes out of the NAFTA conversation, because that's the market is a pretty simple beast. It had the election, it has NAFTA. Now it's going to switch onto NAFTA after we've had the election. So a lot to happen, but we want to see how those talks progress, and we're happy to reload shorts back up towards that 21 area. And if we get a good NAFTA deal, then the sky's the limit for the MEX, and we could see it down through 17 and much lower.
Understood. On that note, Ryan, thank you for your time. We'll talk to you same time next week. That's Ryan Littlestone.